Well, I think first and foremost, I would think that most clients understand and appreciate and desire speed to value. Okay, so clearly, with in order to achieve the speed to value, you need to be able to select and work with a partner who has that same vision of having a product that's easy to deploy, easy to use, and so that obviously, depending upon your strategy on how you want to build automations, that you're removing some of those roadblocks. So when you look at some of your products like A360, it's legit within a few hours, few days. You can have an automation environment set up and being leveraged that as compared to literally a month or two for those that perhaps want to approach it through a more traditional on-prem type of model. So I think automation anywhere has the right mindset of making the platform much easier to leverage. That's spot on. I will say that from a superpower perspective, I think first and foremost, we approach things from and I already hinted at this earlier, a problem statement. Versus taking a technology first strategy. I'm amazed with the talent that exists from across the different process domains. So we attempt to make sure that we bring in process expertise, process knowledge. In a meeting that I had last week with a alcohol distribution company, the challenge from the CFO was, hey, am I doing this process right? I got it, you can put automation around it, but what's best practices around this process? How should this process really look? So I think a superpower or super talent that an organization needs to bring to be able to help essentially navigate the automation journey is a combination of business process knowledge. How does it really work well across a landscape of other clients that are performing, and so you can do some benchmarking, as well as obviously the technical acumen to be able to be successful once you decide that this part of the process is a good fit for driving automations.